Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord key battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Next, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly, then pull out the emergency key blade. This step reveals the access point for opening the fob. Now, with the emergency key removed, insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the slot where the key blade was. Gently twist the screwdriver to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be sure to apply even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic. Once it starts to separate, you can carefully pull the halves apart. Before removing the old battery, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Now, carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Ensure it sits snugly in place. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click, confirming it's locked. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.